Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of u square we have to u. First, the derivative of s square we have to s. This one we have number 1, so we have number 4. Now, we divide both sides by number 2. So, the square root we change by u. S plus 2 ds we change by u du. This one we have number 1. The integration of du we have u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.